What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz. If you don't know, now you do. And how are you guys? How are you doing? Today we're doing a video all about Boxycharm. So I know I didn't do last month. I was slacking. I kind of just did real quick on Instagram, but I wanted to jump on camera and do this month. Of course, for May, we are gonna ignore my eyebrows. I got them not microbladed. I believe it's called ombre shading, and it's still very much in the healing process. It's day 8, and I have no makeup on them. This is just like pure brow and shading. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know if I like it yet. Run brow is pretty like decent, but the other one I don't really like the shape, how it came out, and the color is like a little off to me. I don't know, like I said, it's still in the healing process. I'm even debating about getting the touch-up that it's supposed to go with it after the 6 weeks. If I don't like it by the 6 weeks, I'm not going to get the touch-up and then just slowly, you know, let it fade out. But I'm going to shut up and we're going to get right into this video for Boxycharm. Alright, so like I said, we're going to be talking about May's Boxycharm. I was slacking, and last month I did not do it, so I apologize. But we're going to get right to it. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription. It is all stuff beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, beauty tools, like just everything in that beauty realm. We're even starting to get random stuff. I know next month for June, I'm supposed to be getting sunglasses, I think it is, because like the options that they had for choice, which that is what I'll be talking about. For choice, I didn't really like the one, so I ended up doing the sunglasses. So also you do get a choice. I believe it's one for regular box, and then I get the premium box as well, which is totally what's the word, optional. You don't have to get it if you just want the small box. It's cool. Small box is $25, premium box is $35, and you get over $100 and something worth in each box, so it's definitely worth it. But I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna get right to it. So like I said, this is the regular box. There you go. And then it does come with a little card, and it says all the information and the products. The theme is Flourish. I think it's Flourish. But let me just read off what I got. Ooh. So this is the Murad Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I haven't really tried anything from Murad. They're a really good brand from what I hear. This is worth $74, which is a lot. Of course, like I said, it's an overnight detox moisturizer, and I'm really excited to try this because I've been loving skincare. I definitely need it. This looks like it's for, like I said, overnight. So I don't know if I could use this during the day because I do like to use a moisturizer before I put my makeup on. But we'll see. I'll definitely try it at night first. But here is the first product. Second product is the Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist. This is by Dry Bar. I don't know how much this is. Let me see. So this is $27. I actually really liked... What did I try from them? I tried something else from them before. Oh, the Detangler, the Pepper Alley. I do like that one. So I'm really excited to try this. I don't really straighten my hair or curl my hair all that much really anymore. I try to do it, but I'm kind of lazy. And even with makeup lately, like within the past couple months, I haven't really been wanting to do makeup. So I need to get myself back into it. So I'm excited to try this. And then next in the box is these Lavish brushes. They look like they're makeup brushes. I like the color. Super vibrant. I really don't need any more brushes because I got a lot of damn brushes. But here they are. They are pretty soft. They do feel kind of like cheap, but we'll see how much it is. $30 for these. I mean, I guess I do love little shader brushes, so I will keep these. Super cute. I never heard of this brand though. can never go wrong with brushes. But let me go to the next item. Oh, about to drop the box. So this looks like an eyeshadow palette. Okay. So this looks like it says CAB or KAB Cosmetics Day and Night. So we'll see how she looks. Let me see how much this is. This is $52. That is a lot. Ooh, pretty colors though. So here is the palette. We got some shimmers, we got some mattes, and they're definitely more neutral colors, which I do like. I have so many damn palettes. I really don't need this one. And I feel like I got these colors in other palettes, but it is a cute palette, especially if you're somebody that doesn't have a lot of makeup. You know, with Boxycharm, I definitely think it's a beginner friendly type of thing. Like I said, you get obviously hair care, you get skincare, you get makeup, you get so much stuff worth for your money. So I would highly recommend it. And even though I'm not going to use this, doesn't mean somebody else isn't going to. So that is pretty cool that we're getting that in the box. And then it looks like I have one more thing. This is Mellow Cosmetics. It looks like it's a liquid lip gloss in Saint Tropez. Tropez, right? Ooh, that's a pretty color. How does it look like that? Make sure it wasn't opened, but she is a pretty neutral. This is for $18. I don't really use lip gloss all that much, I'll be honest with you. I have a bunch of lip glosses that I don't even use now, and they're like neutral colors and I still don't use them, so I'll probably give this away. But that is cute. That was everything in the box. We were just like rolling through them today. So I would definitely put the total amount of what everything ended up being for that $25 box. So right there, like I said, we're gonna move right on to the premium box. I have this big bad boy right here. Once again, this is $35. Totally optional. You don't have to get it if you just want the other box. Here is the box. And then once again, it always comes with a little card too. So I'm gonna find her. Same theme. And then we're just gonna go by what I see. So it looks like it's this. Ooh. Okay, so it's brushes. Lawrence or LaRousse. I don't know how to pronounce that. But here is some face brush. Ooh, that's soft. That looks like it's a little kabuki type foundation brush. This looks, I don't know what this is because it's pretty big. Almost like a highlighting brush, but it looks a little bit too big. $96. $96. Damn, $96. I dropped the other brush. Hold on. $96 for this? No way. I mean, no. $96? That's a lot. That's a lot. Boxycharm, you playing, but at least I got it in the box and I didn't have to pay for it on its own. Ooh, I actually, dang, I already got this. So this is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. It is full size, I'm assuming. I did already get this in another box. So here she is. I want to say it was for March or February, but I know this is a good item. It's $35, so probably gonna, you know, try to sell it again because even though it's a really good face primer, I have oily skin. It is about to be summertime. I mean, it is already kind of summertime. It will not go well. So cool that we got that in the box, I guess. Ooh. Oh, what's this? So this is the Bite Beauty Agave Daytime Lip Balm. Ooh, with Mananko oil. Ooh. I can smell it too. Ooh. Oh, she's cute. So that's how she looks. And then she's just a lip balm. So good. Ooh, I definitely like that. I've really been loving this one. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Scrub. So good. I've been using it and I still have quite a bit. But I've been using it so much and I really, really like this one. So I'm excited to throw this in my purse actually. So I do like that. How much is that? That was $16. Paper. What's this? So this is Nature, Luxe, and Willow. This is the reusable bamboo makeup pads. Ooh, so it is 70% natural bamboo, 30% organic cotton. Reusable up to 250 times. Ooh, is that what I smell? Maybe that's what, that kind of smells too, but I felt like I smelled something. Let's see. So it says it's a 4-pack. Yeah, 4-pack. Here is how they are looking. I do love my little, it's not the makeup eraser, it's like the dupes for it. Like the little microfiber cloths, and that's what it feels like. I do like that to wipe my face and clean my face off from makeup and stuff. So I am actually excited that we got this. This is $20. Not bad, not bad. Good thing I ain't paying for it and I got it in the box, but I do love her. Next is this bad boy right here. This is I don't know, Pure Elements. We will put that name up right there. This is black cumin kajip facial serum, for pimples. So I guess it's for acne. Formulated especially for problem skin, this potent serum helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes. So concentrated, 2 to 3 drops morning and night is all you need to awaken skin's beauty. Ooh, and it is 100% natural, cruelty-free, GMO-free, and it is vegan. Ooh, I'm excited because I definitely got some pimples on this face. Here is the box. I'm excited to use this. I don't know. The name kind of sounds familiar. Wrong card. Name kind of sounds familiar, but I'm not too sure. This is $36, which I am excited to try. Super excited for that. And then it looks like the last item in the box is this. Ooh, I love this box, by the way. Super cute. This is the Royal Tulip Nectar. So this is fragrance free. This is a moisturizing nectar. Ooh. Okay, let's hear. So our Royal Tulip Nectar is a healing ointment 2 serum, quench it all hydration that soothes, nourishes, and helps repair the skin's barrier. Powered by our proprietary Dutch tulip complex and a bouquet of earth-sourced botanicals. Apply it everywhere your skin needs extra love. Try it as a moisturizing sleep mask. You'll wake up with skin fit for a queen. Yes. Ooh. I'm excited to. Ooh, look at this bottle. She looks so bougie. Ooh, she reminds me of like, what's that brand? Tatcha? Like that type of vibe. Bougie, expensive. I want to smell it. Ooh. It smells good. But that's how she looks. Ooh, I'm excited to use this. She's so pretty. This is for $65. I mean, to be honest, it sounds really bougie. It sounds like it's gonna work. I'm hoping it'll work. Super pretty. Love that. I really love this box, to be honest with you. I really want to try that serum, this stuff, the agave. The agave stuff. The Too Faced is pretty cool as well. These brushes, okay, I guess whatever. Can never go wrong with brushes. And then this little bamboo, like, cotton pads type vibe. Love. I really do love this box. I like this box definitely more than I do that box. But yeah, I like everything. I'm excited to try everything. I know this video was like short and sweet, kind of, sort of. Definitely put the amount too of what everything totaled out for that second box. Like I said, I like that second box over that first box, but they both were really good boxes. So I'm excited to try. There's a lot of like skincare stuff this month and I'm not mad. So we are gonna end it on that note. So I appreciate you guys so much. I'm trying to film more and I know I keep saying that every single time. But I got some ideas. And I got some clothes ideas. Actually, I've been buying a lot of shit lately. So you would definitely be seeing hauls and stuff. So definitely look out for that. But I appreciate you guys so much. Please be sure to definitely subscribe and also ring that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you would definitely be notified. And also don't forget to follow all my socials, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my IG, and TikTok. Catch me on there. It is jams2535. Catch me on my business page as well. It is Jazzy Jewels. I'm in that glitter world. Earrings. Kind of been slacking. I had big orders, so I kind of took a rest from it from the past couple weeks. So definitely look me out there. I know I haven't been posting as much. I know that's like my excuse for everything, but still definitely hit me up there. And I think that's it. Yeah, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.